So as we come in the home stretch of our time together here, we're going to give you another little take-home assignment that can keep you busy and can keep you thinking about these topics until we can meet again. So we're going to ask you to pick one of these options to help you move your evaluation practice forward. So you can pick either one depending on where you are in developing an evaluation system for your organization. But if you have an evaluation plan in place, we're going to ask you to review your plan to consider areas where identity and bias might need to be considered more deeply, and identify one or two things that you can do alongside your team and your communities to change and possibly to better account for identity and bias. So that's for those of you who already have an evaluation plan in place. Option two, if you don't already have a plan in place, you might want to ask yourself what individuals or communities, who could you involve in your planning to expand your perspective? We want to thank you all so much for taking the time to be here with us today and for all the great conversations that we all had. Here's our contact information. So we really want this to be a collaborative and engaged process. So if you have feedback for us, or if there's anything that came up today that you'd like to talk about, please just email us.